Hello everyone, I'm here with my brother, Ryan, who is in my very first live stream titled Webcam Stream. In this video, we're going to be teaching you how to do a high five with someone. So first, you need to take out your hand. Normally, you use your right hand. So both of us have our right hand out. Then, we need to look at each other and move our hands forward. For this example, we're going to do it in slow motion and then we're going to do it normally. As you can see, our hands meet. Now, you'd want to make sure you actually hit hands, because that's what's going to make the sound. You don't want to miss and hit them like this instead. Now, sometimes you can do it faster when you're both good at it. Then you'll meet in the middle, high five, and make a loud sound. Oftentimes, you high five people when you're meeting them or when you feel accomplished. Anyway, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Remember to high five often, and I'll see you next time if you subscribe and like the video.